This is all responsibility. Now, the moment you allow each other a lot of rice from the land.
While we are not immune to the global economic turbulence, there are numerous signs that demonstrate the resilience and potential of our economy. Inflation, though still a concern, has been brought under control, and key sectors such as agriculture, technology, and manufacturing continue to show growth.
And how is the African Union performing in terms of the African Free Intercontinental Area? What about China in Africa? How come that China has a policy on every African country, a separate policy? You can read it. China's policy on Kenya. But no single African country, even the African Union, has a policy on China. And these policies will be written by us, definitely. You are all qualified economists.